Welcome to Upin Stock Trend Prediction channel. So in this video, I talk about the prediction analysis of Tesla stock price for the next week. So today is June 3rd. So in the last video I uploaded to YouTube last week, I mentioned the Tesla stock price is still have a good increasing momentum, and it may have a tendency to increase up to this yellow trend line from this monthly chart. So if last week is a transition week from May to June, so during the first 3 days of June, it still have a good increasing trend, and last week, and this is a daily chart. That means each vertical bar is 1 day's fluctuation, and this is last Friday, last Thursday, last Wednesday, and last Tuesday and Monday, and from the whole week it have a good increasing trend. And last video I mentioned it has a good increasing momentum, and last week you can also see it opened here a little bit below this yellow trend line, and then we'll try to find the bottom support. That's this blue trend line. That's adjacent of this blue trend line, the support for this week, and it weekly low currently is here, and then it have a good increase to this top yellow trend line. So I also mentioned it may still have a good tendency to increase to this yellow trend line, and you can zoom it a little bit, and you can see it exceeded this yellow trend line, exceeded this point, and then it increased to this top trend line, exactly touches this top trend line, and started to decrease a little bit, but it's still closed above this yellow trend line. So that means it's still, you can see also these trend lines are still increasing, have the increasing trend. So it still shows the next week it still have a good increasing trend and increasing momentum, and but for the daily chart, this blue trend line is started to deviate from this the original increasing trend. So it may have a little bit struggle and around this price range. So for the next week, at least the fluctuation range will cover this range, and if this price, this $212, if this price can be supported, it may have a tendency to drop down to this $209, but generally this will still be a good buying point. It still have a good tendency to increase up to this, at least to this $220. Zoom it a little bit. So this yellow trend line, the tip of this yellow trend line is $219. So it still have a good tendency to at least increase it to $219, and also increase it to this yellow trend line. That's $221. So it's expected to at least increase up to this $221. It may increase to $223, but that's just the top for the early week. Early week is not expected to increase up even to this $223, but it will fluctuate between this range, $212 and $221. So the next week the fluctuation range is around this $212, and may even increase up to this $230. That's for the next week, the fluctuation. So if you are interested in this kind of analysis and prediction, you are welcome to subscribe Upin Stock Trend Prediction channel or watch more video YouTube.